Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We are converting 160 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. That is a typo. Okay, so you need to multiply 1.8 by degrees Celsius and add 32. So 1.8 multiplied by 160, that gives you 288. Plus 32, so if my math is correct, we'll get 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case the video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. Okay, so you do this by using the snipping tool. You can use the Mac equivalent if you're using Mac. So for those that have never used snipping tool, you first click the icon. It'll be in your taskbar. If it's not in the taskbar, you can just search it using Windows search, and then you can follow the instructions below. Alright, so now that you've got snipping tool open, click on video option, click on new, then left click, drag the rectangle and cover the screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording, and then save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up video so they won't be able to find it, or made up question rather. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Also, if you find a mistake, that happens sometimes. I should also add a disclaimer that while the working is correct, or the method, I do make calculation mistakes, and I highly encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Until next time, see ya.